Hello friends, my name is Vikrant and welcome to Voluzo TV. Today I am going to show you how to get the best download speed on uTorrent. So let's get started. First open your uTorrent. Then go to your options and then select preferences. Now in general, untick this and copy down these tick marks. Pause the video and copy down it. Then go to UI settings. Tick these two, this one, this two, this one, this two, and select these options and untick other all. Now go to your directories. There's nothing. Now go to your connections. Enter this connection in your port used for incoming connection section. Tick these three and don't take randomized port each start. Yes, please don't tick that. Copy this port from here. Now go to your bandwidth. Set your maximum upload rate to 670, maximum download rate to 0. Untick this two and tick this one. Global maximum number of connections to 1890 and maximum number of connected peers per torrent to 2329. Number of upload slots per torrent set to be 3 and check this. Use additional upload slots if upload speed is below 90%. Now go to your BitTorrent. Now tick this all and untick this one. Now on our outgoing section, click enabled and tick this option. Then go to the transfer rate. There is nothing to do. Queuing. Now in queuing, queue settings we have now the maximum number of active torrents upload or download set to 2, maximum number of active downloads set to 1. Now seeding goals section we have minimum ratio set to be 100%, minimum seeding time to 0, minimum number of available seats to 0. Now go to your scheduler. There's nothing to do with it. Skip this all. Now click this plus sign button and then go to disk cache. Tick this off, tick this on, tick this and put this to off. Now tick this to off and tick this one. Now go to your web UI. We have nothing to do in web UI. Skip this all things and then the last step is to correct the advanced settings. Now in the first only we have to select it through. Now select the BT connect speed to 50. Set BT number connect to services set to false. Scroll down. Till you see GU show no torrents node set to false. Then go down to GU update rate and then set to 2000. Now IP filter dot enable, set it to false. Set net dot max hyphen set net max half open to 66. Enter 66 enter 66 number here and click on set. Now scroll down until you see peer disconnect inactive interval. Now set it to 900 and click set. Then scroll down to Q don't count slow DL. Set it to false. The next one also to false. Now set the RSS update interval to 30, and that's all. Click apply and OK. This process will take something about 30 minutes to process, and then you will have the best download speed of your uTorrent. So thanks for watching. If it's helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions or queries, ask in the comments below. And if it's helpful, so please subscribe me on my YouTube channel and please follow me on Google Plus profile. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.